I know a lot of people find standard form really annoying. This is called standard form, okay, where you have a number times 10 to the power of something. And I just want to tell you guys that very, very often you can use your calculator for this, okay? If I was writing these exams, I would make them so that you cannot use your calculator. But for some reason, time and time again, they keep asking questions that you can literally do on your calculator. Okay, so find the difference between the mass of Venus and the mass of Mercury. If you just type this straight into your calculator, if you just hit equals there, do you see it just copies it out? And even if you hit S to D, it's not going to change it. The reason is this number is so big that your calculator cannot show it. But they've asked for the difference. So it's worth trying it. So what I said, if you're finding these questions difficult, or even if you're good at them, but you just want to check the answer on your calculator, it'd be mad for you not to try it. They want the difference between the mass of Venus and the mass of Mercury. So Mercury is this one here. And again, just this is 10 to the 23, this is 10 to the 24. So the 24 is bigger. So to find the difference, we're just going to minus them. So this one minus this one for Mercury, right? So it equals. And it gives us an answer. Now, you might not understand this. You might be like, what the hell? How is the difference between these two things something to the times 10 to the 24? But if you're finding this difficult, this is a 1-mark question. You don't need to show any working. What about this one? Nishat says that Neptune is over 100 times further away from Earth than Venus is. So how far away is Venus from the Earth and how far away is Neptune? Let's just get them down on the page. Again, this is partly to do with exam technique. If you're stuck or you just don't like a question, find a way to kind of write it in a way that makes sense to you. So Venus, how far away is Venus from Earth? It's this thing. Again, you don't even need to understand it. You just write it down. Okay. And the question's like, is Neptune over 100 times further away than Venus is? So is this one 100 times bigger than this or not? So what if we times this one by 100? We can do that on our calculator. So 4.14 times 10 to the 7 times 100 is like, well, how big is that? Let's just see. It's that. And you might be asking, well, I don't know how big this one is. I've got no idea. Well, guess what? You don't need to know. You've got a calculator. So it's worth trying it. And I'm saying this doesn't work every time. Sometimes they give you a number that's so big. But here, if I hit equals, look at that. They actually tell me what the number is. Is this number bigger than this? Yes, it is, because it's 435 instead of 414. So Neptune is over 100 times further away. So yes. There you go, 2 marks. And I haven't even taught you standard form.